What up, investors? Ken here from Dyslexic Investor, and we have another Wall Street Bets. It is right off the press here. We have a Beyond Meat guy who went straight long with some calls here, and we'll break it down here in a second. This has been a fantastic move. We posted a video a little bit ways back. Let me actually give the exact date when I posted that shenanigans. We did 4 days ago, so we posted it right about here. We posted that it has a potential run up, and we gave some analysis and things like that and a couple of price targets, and it just blew past most next to everything. Extreme Catalyst just went parabolic. You see the crazy high volume here of just moving substantially higher than anything else you've seen. Give you here a little glimpse here. You can see this little thing. This is trading 7-8 times more than the average volume, and it hasn't even traded this high since like last earnings when it came down. So it literally traded like earnings today on the amount of movement, about 20% more than the last earnings call. That being said, if you bought in around the $70-$80 range or something like that, you should be unloading a little bit. That's just my honest opinion. This is what I would be doing, and that's what I have done with my money. I have actually cut it from my account, so I can actually remove that from my account over here. So that being said, let's go ahead and jump on to the post here. So we got our boy here. Of course, this is the Wall Street Bets and Reddit. This is the Future Troll Shark. Okay, so he has got a bunch of awards. Within the Wall Street Bets, he gets all the gold, all the silver awards for his likes and so forth. This is only 4 hours ago. So this is his overall YOLO play. So he cut it all at $45.50. I mean, 400. So basically, this is what I did wrong at my last thing. I misspoke. So for example, let's go to the the call spread here, and he bought the January 17th. Okay, so it's basically this week. Yeah. He bought the 80s. They're at $38 at one time. He bought the 45, like there were 45 not 45 bucks, it's at 4,500. So this is basically, you have to move the zero over twice. So that is a substantial amount. So for example, he bought it at the initial call, I believe at 70 cents. Yeah. Just up to 230. So $230 to 4,550. So that's quite a run within 100 calls. That's absolutely insane. And we're gonna see the image here on like daily change. That is incredible. The 85. Oh, he had bought the 85 call. So he even bought it something even higher in the thing. Yikes, man! This guy has some cojones. So they bought the 85. So they're trading around $3,300 right now. At the height of it, it was at 45. So congrats, my friend, and he did very well. For those who wanted, 23K was from all for house money, but I started trading with 7K. Beyond Meat 100 contracts, all trades. Last week bought the 80 strike call at 70 cents, and then sold for $3.85. Then bought the January 15th weekly expiration at the 85 call at 0.2 at $230 or 2.3, and sold at 45.5. Thanks for the gold. For those who are wondering, I'm doing with the money, I dumped it into a REIT. And it gets around 6.3 monthly dividends, so it gives me around $2,100 a month to gobble with. So that is absolutely wonderful for him. This is Imagine just having $23,000 long on this stock and literally going up. What was it, like 1700%? Yeah, 1700%. Wow, that is a happy man. That the guy made it. He's literally can sit happy with that for the rest of his life. Isn't that fantastic? Like, this is the happier times when Wall Street bets on how someone makes something productive and actually does something good with it. He literally could have bought a Lambo with that. Like, it just could have wrecked it. It's just hilarious. But let's go look at some more technical analysis. We're going to look at, they've just been drawing some random fibs here. So we're going to see it's not near its 50% retracement from its all-time highs, which it could easily go higher to this level. Which again, I'm not in the stock. I would like a small pullback because I've been using this a lot, these standard deviation channels here. So the standard deviation channels is broken past the third deviation, and it's just literally out in orbit, so it's kind of lost, and it kind of needs to come back down to regain its energy to potentially go even higher. But this thing has been a absolutely monster run. Like, this is a crazy. So if I just do on a, and I was just trading shares, so I bought it in around 70-ish, and I sold around 123. Yeah, so that's 70%-ish uptick. Yeah, but 60% back at all time is 80%. So you can have made it increased your money by 80% if you bought in around this level, which is, again, a lot of people did because you see volume kicked up. Volume kicked up is always a pretty big indicator on pretty green days, and it didn't consolidate all the way down to the 50% retracement, and it just went parabolic. And this guy had absolutely cojones. Again, raking in just that day on those calls $174,000, and now he's just sitting back drinking his mojitos or whatever he drinks, or could be Kool-Aid, I don't know, and just chilling at the 6% REIT. That's fantastic. That is super awesome. So happy for this guy. I want to see if he wrote back anything. He probably didn't. Of course, people were like, "Oh my god, dude, it's not how magical text works." But yeah, that's a funny thing too. It's literally stopped at 420. Take that 420 off the table. They said, absolutely wonderful. I'm totally astonished, and I'd like to see more trades like this. It's just absolutely amazing. On the first 2 weeks in Wall Street Bets, someone made it phenomenally big. So this is great. Great goes out to him again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. Again, have a wonderful day. This is Ken from the Dyslexic Investor. Peace.